are 3 fills in 12/8. We've already talked about grooves in 12/8. We've talked about grooves in a lot of time signatures, but today we're on 12/8. You're going to get 3 fills in 12/8 from kind of beginner-ish to a slightly more advanced thing with the actual notation if you want it in a free little ebook in the description. So check that out too. Fill number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, if we strip away the little going into the fill, we've basically just got a group of 3/8 notes. Right, left, right, and then accent, maybe even a rim shot on 2.
Hello, it's me. So, just as a heads up, the reason why I've written the count this way, 1TL, it stands for triplet. So 1 triplet, 2 triplet, yada yada. The reason I've done this is because if you write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, it looks messy. That is all. So when I talk about the 6th, 8th note later on, it's actually the L of triplet in B2. That makes no sense. But hey, it is what it is.
Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, right, left, right, left. If we put the little drag at the beginning, did a right, left. 3, 4. 3, 4, left, right, left. If you're more of a beginner, don't worry about that little drag. But if you aren't, then give it a go. That will serve you so well. Oh my God. Just that figure. Now the 6th 8th note we come across, we're going to put a kick drum on. So again, start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to play 2 flams, kick, and 2 flams again. And then a kick. So again. So the second half of the fill is quite literally just flam, flam, kick, flam, flam, kick. And then get ready for another kick with a crash on 1. Now, flams, if you've never come across them before, don't worry. If you want to, you can just go right, left, kick, right, left, kick. Or if you want to give them a go, put one hand up all the way, put the other hand up halfway, drop them at the same time. And there you've got a flam. Stick it all together. 3, 4. A little bit more speed. Right, straight on to fill number dos. 10, 11, 12. This is a fill and kind of an exercise at the same time because you're getting 3 figures in a very short space of time. So the first is just on the 8th note, so right, left, right, just like the previous fill. 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to go round the kit. 1, 2, 3, so 2 notes per beat. 1, 2, 3. And then lastly, a really common figure that will come up a lot, especially in rock music. That's a quite common one. So I do snare, flam if you want to, kick, toms, kick, toms, kick. You can play all of these as flams if you want to. 1 and 2 and 3 and. We're also then going to end on a flam. So get flam, toms, toms, flam. 2, 3, and then out of the bar. So stick it together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A little bit quicker. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. Fill number 3. 10, 11, 12. This isn't just my favourite because it's more advanced. It's my favourite because we've got broken doubles. If you don't know what broken doubles are, it's quite literally where you take a double, like right, and you split it between 2 drums. Pretty cool. But we're also playing a flam on top of that. even cooler than that. First things first, this figure that we've been playing quite a lot through this video, we're just going to add a flam. So right, left, right, instead of right, left, right. Right, left, right, right, left, right. And then we do a flam on the toms, bring over the snare from the right, and a kick. You might notice here that I'm kind of turning this into a sweeping motion. That's because it is, because we're going to have to get that to happen pretty quick. Helps if your toms are level. I realise that this is dipping, so it's a bit harder for me to get it. But give it a go. You can do it around all the toms and it's great fun. So practice that little figure first. So we've got flam, right, kick. Kind of like a triplet. Lots of fun. So the last beat is exactly the same as the first beat. So you end up with right, left, kick. And there it is. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there it is. 3 different fills in 12/8 of varying difficulties, including some interesting techniques. If you would like to check out more of the videos I've done talking about grooves and different time signatures and all the other content that is out there, there's a lot of me on the internet right now. It's kind of wild. Check it out. And remember, if you want the free ebook that has all the notation for this video, check it out. It's in the description. Have a great day. Big love. Mwah.